Go.
Hey guys, it's Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch Project. I have a full bee suit on today because there's a swarm right above my head. It appears to be 50,000, 60,000 bees. Now we're gonna make sure they're not from this hive, and we're gonna do that right now. And then we're gonna go get that swarm and put it in a box. So it could be our lucky day, and a swarm just happened to show up on top of our apiary here. So as usual, I just introduce a little smoke here into the Ross round, and I can clearly see there's bees working in the Ross round here. So I'm just going to open up the main hive body here, give them some smoke, and take a look inside. I found a queen.
Holla.
Okay. So in order to successfully lure that swarm above me, I'm going to need some bait. And that's in the form of this drawn comb. There's already bees moving into that box that we're going to catch this swarm with. So the reason we take some of these frames here is to have the pheromone from another queen and some honey as a lure. Now, a lot of you might have heard that lemongrass is a good lure, and I haven't heard good things about that. So be leery about the lemongrass idea. I'm just replacing this hive with some empty frames that they'll draw these out for us. And the bees are getting a little rambunctious.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to quickly close this up.
I gotta move.
Yep, get out.